Welcome guys to G-Double Computer Tutorials. Actually this is what we learned before. As you see, we have learned how to resize the image by using style as a CSS, by using inline CSS, and also this was an output of this program, as you see. But now what I want to show you, sometime you will see on the different website where the images will look like this. For example, where there was the mistake to insert an image in a website. So let me refresh this page and see how it looks like. You see, this is when the insertion of image went wrong. So, and you see here there is word image, right? But here, once I delete this attribute and see how now looks like, right? So now I'm going to show you how you can use alt to set a new alternative result or option when image is failed to be visible on web page. Without spend much more time, let us start. Yes, to insert an alternative way of providing option when image is failed to be inserted, we use attribute called alt, which meaning alternative, alt, right? Then in this double quote you can write like alternative image, or you can write inserted image. For example, inserted image. You see? So once I learn this program, I will see that when this woman image not visible, this word will be visible, right? To explain why it happened, right? So let me learn it and show you how it looks like. You see, inserted image to mean here the inserted image failed, right? So this is how you can use alternative attribute in HTML page. Whatever this image was inserted successfully without any error, image will be displayed. But when there was a mistake in inserting this image, you will get that message says that inserted image, right? You see? So this is what I want to show you in this video, and please don't miss subscribe, to like this video and to share it to your colleagues so that also they can get access to our amazing lessons. So thank you, see you in next video.